Great shot. Quality shot by AB de Villiers. Just bisects the fielders for 4.
But what is better about this is that it's also not the best delivery by Rashid Khan, and he's made it count.
Over extra cover mid-off, and I think you just have to check it. This is close to going all the way for a 6.
He's in form or out of form. If you provide him with this room, he's gonna bounce. Yeah, looks like hitting the boundary triangle on the full.
He's only normally bowled 1 over per game, LB Morco, and I think that was the same in last year's T20 as well. Ed, I'm not sure whether you can hear me, Ed. Is them seeing Ed Rainsford dancing. AB de Villiers would have seen this.
He's mishit this and it falls safely.
And a good result though for AB de Villiers.
We'll have a closer look at this. Oh!
Beautifully placed, and that will be for the classic AB de Villiers.
And the ball spread away.
Right on top of the bounce. What placement, what decision making, and what timing.
Oh, another boundary. It doesn't matter how the runs are coming right now.
Edges flying all over. Wicketkeeper missing the ball. Misfield out in the deep.
And that's what you get. 40 in the over. A big one this for the home team. 24 from the 13th over. It's 105 for 4. He's had a let off and he's decided that he's going to take off, and that's right into the side screen for 6.
And I don't think, and it doesn't look like it's going to pay off.
AB's going to die wondering here. He is going to jump at him every delivery, but how good is this strike? Lovely swing of the bat. Lovely result. And a little bit of glove love.
De Villiers goes again, and what a way to get to 50 for Mr. 360. So it's 47-50 to go with 300s, and it's his second 50 in this competition. The home crowd have something to cheer.
Yeah, he has played some good strokes in this innings. He looked good, and he's coming good. He came down to the track, and by heading straight 6, he forced the bowler to shorten the length, and he was ready for it.
Straight down the ground for 4.
Now look at the placement and the power behind that stroke.
Left hand, right hand combination, take it to task.
And that will race away for 4.
And execution. If you err, the way AB de Villiers is batting, this is going to happen to you. And if you bowl a full toss, Owen Morgan just 3. Oh, he's in belligerent mood.
AB, stop it.
Just shows at times he's got class, finesse. Here it's just brute force and power down the ground.
Well, he's just still, isn't he? Even though he's got himself into position, his head is still, and he just gets his arms through.
Oh, AB de Villiers, new bat, 360, 4. AB, out, dropped. Oh my goodness, I'd called it and it's gone for 4. Kaya Zondo.
It's beautiful bowling from Rashid Khan, the last over of a T20. And whether he just misjudges it Fingers pointing up. Goes straight through. Hits him on the side of the head.